And as I think about the things, how we discovered these top 5 things for naturally healing, one big thing that really helped us out was how we got around people on the same journey as us,
Yes,
whether our
like-minded.
mentors or our coaches, people on the same path. That community that we had, because we grew a lot together. A lot of people provide a lot of inspiration from all their improvement, and just the support that we receive from them to continuously to get better and healthier
Yeah.
was a big thing. So that's number 5. Is just you want to be in a good community of people.
So there's strength in numbers, and if you're around like-minded people, when it comes to your diet, like your lifestyle, diet, keep staying clean. It pulls not only inspiration but accountability too.
Oh, that's great.
So
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
it's very important to be around people who will support you and lift you up versus people who are tearing you down, like the toxic people. So
It's huge, and like I said, 70% of people. I mean, it's really a true movement out there, and it's going to get stronger and stronger and stronger with these poor outcomes in the medical system. Because ultimately, when you do these natural remedies, you begin to heal from the inside out.
just think of it as in terms of how our grandparents lived, our great grandparents lived. They did not have all the conveniences of today. I love convenience, but not at the expense of my health. So
Yeah, they kept it so simple, and
they did. Everything was so simple.
simple eating,
Simple, yeah,
simple living,
yeah.
no crazy drugs, and
No
you look
social
back,
media to scroll through.
yeah,
No 101 activities to get to.
trying to do 80 things at once. Don't gotta do all that. So there you have it. That's 5 natural healing techniques that actually work. And the best way to do it is to grow and to get the support from others. And that's exactly why we started our very own community of people who want to heal without the pills.
That's right.
We learned so much from our community. So we said, you know what, let's do the exact same thing for people that we know and want to bring in who are on this mission and create this movement stronger than ever.
That's right. This community where we cover FAQs, presentations Dr. Haynes have done here in the past. We'll have coffee chats with a doctor weekly. So it's a good time to get together and to talk to people, and you share different ideas.
Yeah. So whether you have nutritional questions or about diet, what can we answer for you to get you on this right path? What information can we provide for you to help you grow? What information do we need to research for you? That way you'll know. What medical questions you have, what mindset questions, whatever it is you need, let's provide that information for you and provide that support for you. Message boards, that way we can support one another.
That's right.
And so we have a whole big list of calendar events. It's going to get stronger and stronger as the community grows. It's going to be so enriching, so supportive. We're going to change health. We're going to change people's life. So for you can enjoy life and not just endure it.
That's right. Let's start this movement and keep it snowballing. We'll get everyone healthy. Well, till next time, be well.